right here. He's got the trunk done in this one now. Yeah, this is coming along good. Last year it wasn't quite all done up so nice. Now he's got it done up good. Look, got it lit up back here. Check him out. Nice looking built trunk. Tweeters, subs, ports. Look real good in here, guys. He's got the polyglass in here. Yeah, coming along real good, guys, real good. This car is looking better, and he's got the white inside. You know the insides are crazy. Check out the wheels. Look at them chrome spokes. You see them? Crazy clean. And look at this interior, guys. Absolutely outrageous. This white is so nice. He got the wood grain in the original dash with the gauges. You see him? Yeah, he looks real good out here. Nice looking Caprice. And I see some chrome under the hood, you know, so that's always a nice touch, especially with these.
That's a beauty, ain't it?
It is.
I'm proud of that. It ain't mine, but it's from my, originally was from that area. So I was
really?
See if I know the people that own it.
Yeah, it's nice. I don't know who owns it. Yeah, it is.
We own it.
Oh, yeah?
I'm originally from that area.
Yeah. Check them out, guys.
Maybe you thought we were.
Real nice looking Caprice. Yeah.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.